YouTuber, 9 million subscriber. No. 2000. Yeah. Got myself a city map of Florence, and there's a day. I'm trying to find some place to eat. Today I'm craving to eat some pasta. Assassin's Creed 2. If you know, you know. I'm gonna eat something really quick and I'm gonna come back and let's see what I can do with this shit. I mean, not shit, this is really good. What is Florence's most famous food? Like classic Florence, traditional Florence food?
You like truffle?
Never had it before.
Matigol with wild boar hand.
Okay. Can I get one Swiss cider, please?
Okay. For 3?
Nothing. Do you have free water?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is this called? Like this dish?
Schiacciata.
Schiacciata, okay. Alright, I've got myself a kind of sandwich, Florence sandwich.
For 3?
Let me try it out. It's good. I'll give you a 7 out of 10. Oh, hold on. The sauce just kicked in. 7.5 out of 10. Oh my god. Is that water coming out of his dick? Nah. This one's a museum. A more naked man, but I can see him from here. Does he take any money or can I just walk in? Oh, look at him. Turns out it's actually not a museum. Alright, today at Italian grocery I bought this cake and this apple and banana juice. So the total comes as €4, no, €3.95. That is pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be a steep climb. So I'm stashing my things over there. Hopefully no one will steal it. Hopefully. Let's go. It's just food anyway. It's like lots of food, like 2 days worth of food. So, after quite an easy hike, I should say, to be honest, I made it. Let's see through here if you can see anything. It doesn't work. And look at my Spartas. I bought a binocular. Voila! Free! Oh yes. Anyone wants to use this? €1? I'm kidding. Mate, actually this is crazy beautiful. Nah. Look at it, bro. City view done. Now it's time to climb one of these towers. Either the clock tower or the dome. Let's see what we can do. Maybe both. It'll be tiring, I think. Don't think there is a lift in there. But yeah, we gotta do it. And I'm back where I left my stashes. Guess what? It's still there. And we'll meet you at the tower and the dome. Alright, I've stashed my things in here this time. That's a bike stand. The Italian bike stands are weird because they have these kind of chains. Well, in front of this building, best opera area. I don't know what that is. I have to mark the hotel Vardamini. Okay. Yeah. Pretty shit music. It isn't even in sync. Hey, what the fuck is that dome, mate? Oh, there it is. Wow, bro. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it is fucking massive. Oh my god. Crazy, isn't it? Oh my god. Climbing up there is gonna be, oh my god, it's a pain in the ass. Alright, let's try to climb it then. Alright, I'm in the tower now. Alright, I'm on my way up. Oh my god. Oh, that was fairly easy. Oh, have to show the view. Crazy view. Tuscan is caged. Why is it caged? Nice. That is sick. Look at this. That's the beauty I am talking about. Yeah, I made it down within like 2 minutes. Fairly easy down. Now, the big one. It's called Bernardeschi Duomo or something. I'm butchering every name today. Anyway, let's climb the dome. Where's the entrance? Look at this one. Look at this for a gate. People had money back in the days. Yeah. Like also, this is a symbol of the Renaissance, the Italian Renaissance, the Florence city architecture. Like Rome lost of different things, like lots of diversity. Napoli has its own kind of dirty but cozy, not cozy, dirty but Italian architecture. And this one has proper cozy, good, nice, beautiful, awesome architecture. Crazy, it won't even fit in one frame. After 15 years of climbing, I can finally say Oh, I'm all alone in here. Look. It was like a bread. It's called what's Schiacciata. It's like panini, but it's not called panini. I wanted to try pasta, but didn't find one.
Like, how much do you reckon you've been spending on food on average thus far?
Food. So after that, I went to supermarket.
Yeah.
I bought like a cake, which is like €2.
Yeah.
No, it's like 450 grams cake, man. Yeah, €2, 450 grams.
Nah, you're fucking locker.
I don't have a locker. Near Barmani building in a bike stand. I tied it there. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get stolen. I did it like 3 times.
Yeah.
It was alright. I just had a really nice chat with an Aussie guy from Melbourne. We will catch up sometime in Melbourne, maybe, I don't know. And this is where I stash my bags, and it's still here. Nice. Alright, so I don't know when you're watching this, but today is 20th June 2024. The Euros are going on in Germany, and today Italy plays Spain. Huge game. They're in the same group. So Italy plays Spain, and I'm in Italy, home team. So I'm gonna go to one of these bars or restaurants. They don't have a TV. I already spoke with the policeman. They said there's no open area fan park with giant screen, none of that in Florence. So I'm gonna go to a restaurant and watch the game. I think 2-1 to Italy or 1-1. Alright, so currently is 8:40, so the game starts in 20 minutes. Italy and Spain, so I thought I have to watch it somewhere, so I came here. There's a TV playing and they will play the game in 20 minutes. So I ordered this. This is spaghetti fettuccine, no, spaghetti bolognese. And behind me is this, proper, let's taste it. How do you eat it? Like this? Good. It's really good. Damn. That's nice. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Oh yeah. The game just finished. Spain won 1-0. Italy was shit for the first half of the game. And like first 60 minutes, they were absolutely horrible. Donnarumma was good. If it wasn't for Donnarumma, they'd be like 3 goals down. What I've learned from the game is testa di cazzo, means dickhead. Oh look, the city looks beautiful at night, gorgeous. I'm gonna go pick up my bag and chill out in the station or Macca's. Probably Macca's. See you later. Good morning everybody, this is where I slept. Good morning from Florence, and my train leaves in like 10 minutes. I put in an alarm. It's time to go to the station, which is just behind me, and catch the train and piss in there because I have to piss. You know what I mean? Anyway.